The book Emotional Hiccups is for all of us out there because we all experience emotions in our life. Some of us may not be able to express well, some of us feel overwhelmed with emotions, and a lot of times, because of our emotional outbursts or not expressing them, causes a difficult or conflicting relationships. So, this book can help everybody out there who wants to experience their emotions yet be able to express them in a way that is conducive and leads to a healthy coping mechanism. This book is for you.